Welcome back to Gemini Jets 100. Today we'll be looking at my cargo selection and my random other selection of other stuff like this global super tanker that we're looking at right now. We're gonna take a look at this and let's get to it. Okay. Let me move this real quick. We're gonna look at the box real quick. Boeing 747-466 BCF. Here's a global tanker. Global super tanker. Here's the side. I got it for $65. So yeah, here's the back. Yeah. Okay. Now here's the global tanker. Just red. Regular Boeing aircraft. That's really it, so nothing really unique about it. So, there's that. Nope, this one. Nope, this one, actually. Yep, that one. Here we have the Western Global Gemini Jets. Today we'll be looking at that. Looking at the box real quick. No, the box. Box out too. Here we have made for collectors by collectors. Western Global. Here's the plane. Gemini Jets. Boeing 747-400F, Western Global. Look inside. Here it is. Here's the top. Here's the side. The back. As real as it gets. Open it up. If you guys would like to look at the information, you may. Here's where the plane would be stored. Here's the plane. Just Western Global. Regular 747-400F. Pretty standard. Nothing broken on it. So, yeah. Sorry guys, we're just trying to get this done in a fashion. So, here we have the Atlas Air, Boeing 767-300ER. Here's the box. Here we have the 25th anniversary of Gemini Jets. Made for collectors by collectors. Boeing 767-300ER. Atlas Air. Here's the side. Here's the top. Here's the side. Here's the bottom. Here's the back, as real as it gets. Oh, hold it. If you guys want to look at the information, you may. Here's where the aircraft would be stored. I'm trying to get this done, don't worry. Here's the aircraft, regular 67, but with windows instead.
Don't comment it. You said it.
Don't comment it, please. So yeah, here it is. Alright. This one. We have the Boeing 767-300F, which is my UPS, but it is broken. So let's take a look. I gotta stand up now. You have to stand up. Here's the box. Gemini Jets, classic. Like, not the classic Gemini Jets, but it's classic. Made for collectors by collectors. Boeing 767 UPS. Boeing 767-300F UPS. We have the side. We have the top. We have the other side. We have the top. This is the bottom. And here's the back. As real as it gets. Here's the aircraft, but without...
Look inside.
Oh, let me do that. Thank you for reminding me. If you would like to stop and read, please do. Here's where the aircraft would be stored. Here's the aircraft, regular UPS 767 without landing gear. Well, other than this one, but without these two landing gears. Be perfect for a... Okay. Here we have the Boeing 747-800F. I had to super glue this one back together. So here we're going to take a look at the box. The box. Gemini Jets, made for collectors by collectors. Boeing 747-800F. Here it is. UPS. Here's the top. Here's the side. Here's the bottom. Here's the back. That's really all you can get, and it is broken a little, so don't mind though. Here's the top. You guys would like to read it. And here's the bottom. Here's the Boeing 747-800F. So if you guys would like to see more detail, please comment down below and hit that subscribe button and click that bell. Thank you for thank you for watching. Nope. We finally done it. We got through all of my models in 3 videos. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.